Good morning, this is Rod with Rod Inspects, and we're on a brand new 2017 build in San Antonio, Texas. And we found a little thing here. Thought it'd be a good idea to shoot a video so y'all can see why it is a good idea to have an inspection on brand new construction. A lot of people believe that, oh, it's the builder, it's going to take care of everything, but we want to take care of these things before we give the money out instead of after. So what we have today is a shower pan that is not draining, and we're running lots of water in the sinks and tub, and we've actually run the shower, and the shower is not draining. And if you look down in there, down in that hole with a flashlight, you can see that there is an obstruction in there that's preventing it from draining. Usually what happens is when they're putting the tile and the mortar in, they flush their stuff down this drain, and then we get a clog, and sometimes that needs to be broken out. Sometimes it's just a regular flush, but most of the time it needs to be broken out. So again, this is Rod from Rod Inspects, just another good reason to have an inspection on brand new construction. Thank you, have a good day.